It is time to make our favorite olive salad that goes beautifully with so many things, especially hors d'oeuvres for New Year's. This is a sauce that is used in Muffaletta, the famous sandwich that they add this olive salad to it. It is also versatile and you can make it to your own taste. So you can play with the ingredients and the amounts to make it fit your needs and your favorite things to have. So what I have here is Giardiniera pickles, which is mostly carrots. It has some peppers and it has beautiful flavors of celery and even cauliflower is there. So that's the base for this salad, and also of course the olives. I have Kalamata olives, half a cup, and third of a cup of green olives. You can choose whichever. They are all pitted. I have 2 cloves of garlic, some oregano, olive oil, and hot pepper. That's your choice if you want to add it to the recipe or not. We love spicy, so I'm gonna be adding that. Into that you can also add some vinegar, which is normally done, but since this is pickled, I'm gonna hold the vinegar until I see how acidic I want my sauce to be, my salad to be, and then I'm gonna add accordingly. Let me show you how we start. I will add my olives. This is a food processor. It's a small one. You can use the larger one depending on the amount that you're making. I will plug it in. I will add the olives. The black, it's half a cup, and a third of a cup of the green. And I will also add half a cup of this Giardiniera pickle, and then I'll adjust depending on what I want and the taste, of course. Okay, so it's a heaping cup because the carrots, they take a lot of space and you have a lot of empty space in the half a cup here. So we'll add that. I will also add a teaspoon of oregano. I will add my pepper, optional, and also 2 cloves of garlic, I always take the center of the garlic. That I think causes a little stomach trouble. And now I will also put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'll adjust as I go. Check it out. Looks great. Let me taste it. Perfect. The vinegar is perfect. The garlic is perfect. The olive oil, the olives, just absolutely perfect. I think you cannot mess this up. It's always gonna be perfect. Delicious. I'll put it in a plate and show you what you can do with it next. Okay, so now I want to show you how to serve the muffaletta as an hors d'oeuvre or as a snack. I have a baguette that I have sliced. This is the muffaletta. I actually like also to bring some freshness to it, so I will chop some fresh parsley and put, or you can also put the parsley onto your toast. So on my toast I will put a slice of cheese on my baguette and some of that delicious sauce. So good. Flavor that picks you up and make you so much happier, I guess. That's a good word to say. It also goes with yogurt or labani. This is Mediterranean strained yogurt with some salt into it, and you eat it with olive oil. It's delicious. It can go well with that. It goes well with so many things. Just not too, the cheeses that you choose to pair it with, let them not be very strong, because the sauce, the olive salad, it's already strong enough, and your taste buds are not gonna be able to handle all that much more of a flavor. So it goes really well with mild cheeses, yogurts, and so much more. Just without anything, just that on a bread, that will be great. You can add nuts to it too, if that is what you wish. Enjoy it and have a happy, pungent, and exciting new year.